Hi, we're here today representing Elemex, which is an architectural facade system company based in London, Ontario, up in Canada. We service the North American market. I'm here with Jonathan Hill, who's our senior estimator, Brandon Webb, who's our director of sales, and I'm Hugh Lowry, strategic accounts manager. Elemex manufactures 4 primary lines: Ceramitex, which is our ceramic-based facade system; Alumitex, which is our aluminum facade-based system; Stoneitex, which is our natural stone-based facade system. And we're here today to talk about Solstex, which is our newest product line, which actually incorporates a solar panel into the facade system. That solar panel is powered by Onyx, and that's where we are today. Elemex originally started with aluminum composite-based systems, which is what you can see right here on the left. We then moved into ceramic-based systems when we realized we needed a differentiator in the market. Sintered ceramic was a brand new material for us that came from Spain. So we figured out how to integrate that alongside our aluminum-based system on the same platform with the same type of system. From there, we started looking at natural stones and other very innovative materials. We've always been a forward-thinking company. So when the idea of solar facade came to us, we kind of jumped on it. It made it kind of a no-brainer in the sense that, you're trying to build a facility that could generate the same power on site that it was going to use in that facility. And that made a lot of sense to us right from the jump. As we entered the solar facade market, we started looking at all the different players, who was around in the market, and Onyx stood out to us as an industry leader. They had a great mix of aesthetic and efficiency when it came to their solar panels. And when we came to see their factory, we were blown away. Their quality control and their manufacturing process is top notch. And that's what led us to them, as our definitive supplier for this particular product line.
We're really excited about our partnership with Onyx. Onyx bringing to the table, really innovative technology in terms of the solar facade system. Elemex with our contacts in North America and Onyx really looking to expand across North America. We're extremely excited about the solution that we can bring customers across that region.
As Hugh's discussed, our previously developed Unity system, which is our proprietary attachment technology, allows us to integrate Onyx's solar panels by switching the outside cladding material on our originally designed Ceramitex system. This has enabled us to utilize Onyx's solar to create a rear ventilated rain screen solar facade, acting as both a cladding rain screen and a PV array for the building, creating energy and reducing the overall energy costs of a building. Architects and building owners are really excited about our partnership here with Onyx. Our Solstex system utilizing Onyx's solar modules really is exciting. When comparing to existing panel cladding products on the market, including our own, the ability to create energy and pay for the cladding over time is the most exciting thing for building owners, and for architects, the ability to hide the solar modules behind a colored glass is what they're really enthusiastic about.
Elemex offers a high degree of customizability and design flexibility to architects with our Unity system. We allow the integration of a 1/4 inch joint, a 1/2 inch joint, or a 3/4 inch joint across the facade, with all materials on the same plane with the same size joint all the way across the whole facade. We allow customization in terms of the size and the shape of each of our panel lines. So whether that's a square, a triangle, a rectangle, we'll try to make it work. Onyx supports us fully in that effort by offering custom-sized modules of a variety of colors, really just unlocking the design architect's freedom to choose whatever they want on the building and make it look fantastic. As the Unity system allows you to put different materials on the same plane, we're able to use the solar where it makes sense and utilize cost-effective options where the solar might not make sense. So in North America, the north side of the building doesn't really receive much sun, might not be suitable for a solar product. We can swap in an alternate product, with a color match solution in order to make the building look homogeneous or accomplish whatever design the architect is after. This can also make sense under balconies or around corners. To finish off these details, we can use an ACM cladding solution or a ceramic cladding solution, which can be mitered and taken to a 90-degree angle, which can help with some of those tricky building conditions. Elemex has done a number of projects with Onyx to date, most recently being a pharmaceutical headquarters in California and a rooftop patio in Washington. Each of these projects provide their own challenges, the one in Washington being particularly challenging with a number of different panel sizes and a number of conditions. The one in California being quite a large-scale project requiring dedicated logistics and a great deal of coordination. Overall, the client feedback on these projects has been overwhelmingly positive. The installers have loved the system. They loved how quickly it goes up. They love the integration of all the different materials on the same plane, and they love the look of the solar panel. Particularly in the project in California, we actually color matched a ACM or an aluminum panel with the solar panel. So the areas where it made sense, we know we put the solar. Where it didn't make sense, we put the ACM, but they're completely color matched. The building looked homogeneous across the entire facade. Again, this is one of the strengths of Unity. It allows you to put materials where they make sense, and that was really great from the client feedback point of view. They loved the look of the building. They loved how quickly it went up, and they loved the fact that they're getting energy from their cladding system. When it comes to future innovations in the market, we like to think we're at the forefront of this type of technology. Onyx is constantly innovating, developing different colors in terms of the cell color, the surface color, in terms of the surface finish options, whether it's acid etched or normal gloss. Elemex is constantly innovating when it comes to the system behind the panels. So we're looking at high wind load zones, seismic zones. We're looking at the worst conditions on Earth, and we're looking at how do we build in those conditions? How do we innovate our system to make sure this panel can stand up to the robust conditions planet Earth can offer?
In the current climate where renewable energy sources are a main focus in the community, Onyx brings innovation and support to the solar facade system perspective. Elemex brings 20 plus years of experience and success in the building systems industry. We're really excited to move forward to tackle the future of building integrated photovoltaics.